Afternoon, ma'am. You know why I... no, that's fine. Have a nice day.
Keep walking. We're almost to the car.
You got it, officer.
Whoa, no. Hey, stay back. It's just a cat.
Nope, get it away from me. Guess I'm free then.
Somebody pick that thing up.
What is it? And together we can build a future where every family has a seat at the table. And who's is that? It's just